Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an interesting flipping video for you, okay? So, as you can tell by the title, I decided to become a guinea pig out of love for you because you guys know I aim to please. And I decided to order a dress from China. You know how on Instagram you get bombarded with these advertisements for these stores in China that sell you dupes of all of these beautiful, expensive dresses that are so in right now, right? They have dupes for like Zimmerman dresses. If you guys don't know Zimmerman dresses, they cost like $600, $700, $1,000. They're super expensive. And then you see these advertisements on Instagram. Oh my gosh, this is just like the Zimmerman dress and it costs $30, $35, right? I have been tempted for the longest time to buy these damn things and figure out if they are worth it. So I thought it would make for a very interesting video if I ordered, one of these dresses to test it out compared to what they were advertising and show you the results so you guys can figure it out just like I did, if you should take the plunge or if you should run. So before we get into the specifics, if you are new to the channel, I am Erica from Erica's Girly World. Welcome. I hope you love the channel enough to subscribe. My channel is anything related to shopping, fashion, travel. I give you the scoop on everything, okay? Sales, I take you shopping with me. I make myself a guinea pig just like I did today. So anything that's gonna benefit you and make you look more fabulous, you're gonna find here. Now, for my returning subs, thank you so much for being here. My life is happier because of each and every one of you. Thank you for giving me the honor to watch my videos. Now, so let's talk about
China dupes.
So here's the scoop. I saw this dress on an ad on my Instagram from a brand called Retrofit. This brand, if you haven't heard, it is super hot right now. They make these crazy beautiful sequin dresses. They are typically covered in sequin like head to toe. They're actually quite heavy and they are like hardcore party dresses. They are super in. The price is typically around $600, $650, and I have been dying to get one. Now the thing is, I would be willing to invest $600 on a dress, but their dresses are typically long sleeve and super heavy, and I live in Florida. So these would be dresses that I would wear very seldomly, just when I travel, because here it's just too hot to wear the dresses that Retrofit makes. But I wanted them because they're just so beautiful. All my friends have them. Like, I'm feeling so left out. So anyway, I see the ad pop up on my Instagram. I was like, damn! Perfect opportunity for me to get my dream Retrofit dress that I'm not gonna wear all the time and not spend a fortune. I mean, a sister up in here is always willing to save some money. So I can spend it in other stuff. It does not go to the savings account. It just goes to alternative items. So anyway, I posted on my Instagram for my followers on my stories, asking peeps if they would be interested for me to buy these items and then kind of like test them out, right? And see what's up. And then you guys would get the learnings from me and I would make videos on YouTube and show you the scoop. And it was overwhelming vote for me to go ahead and do it. So I went ahead, I pulled the trigger. So let me show you the dress that they were advertising. So this is the dress right here. As you can tell, this is a gorgeous sequin dress, very beautiful beaded, and that's the signature silhouette for Retrofit. It's kind of loose on the body. It typically has a belt to cinch the waist, and then these beautiful like fluffy sleeves, with the tight cuffs. That's kind of like their signature look. And I have been wanting this rainbow one for the longest time. First of all, because it's Instagrammable as hell, right? Anything with a lot of color looks amazing on Instagram. So I was like, man, I can make some banging photos, make some killer videos for my YouTube. It's gonna look so good, so fly. And then I was like, okay, so the price was $58, which kind of high for Chinese dupes, because Chinese dupes are typically $25, $35. Like the most expensive ones I've seen are like 48, 50 bucks. But I took that as a good sign because I was like, man, $58, that means this is gonna be a better quality dupe, right? So I thought, okay, it's probably gonna be closer, not identical, because I realized you cannot make a $600 dress for a tenth of the price, right? It is $600 for a reason. It is more work, better fabrics, better cuts, everything's better. But I thought, okay, I'll get kind of like not an identical dupe, but at least a better quality dupe. So anyway, with the shipping, it ended up being $70 was what I paid for it. You wait about 517 years until the order arrives. Because you know, when you're ordering from China, girl, if it is June and you want a dress for Christmas, you better order it from China now, because it's going to take a long time. I don't understand why it takes so long. Maybe my beloved Chinese viewers can educate me on this, but I don't know why it takes so damn long, okay? I order stuff from Europe, it arrives here in 2 days. I don't know. By the way, this is by no means meaning to offend anybody from China. I have a lot of Chinese friends that I absolutely love in real life. You guys are really fabulous, stylish as hell, by the way, okay? Some of my most stylish friends are actually from China. So absolutely do not be offended by the video, but the websites are from China. I mean, there is nothing I can do about that, right? I mean, there is some crappy stuff that happens in my country, in Brazil. There's nothing I can do. I mean, it is in Brazil. What can I say? So kind of the same thing. These websites that are kind of like, you know, these dupe websites, they are all from China. I mean, 90% of them are. So I went about doing my order. I spent my 70 bucks. I waited, I mean, in reality, I waited about 3 weeks, which is a long ass time, but still. So I waited 3 weeks and the dress arrived. So this is the package for the dress. So when I received it, I was like, hold up. This package is kind of light, you know, like as you can tell, the dress that is advertised is all beaded. It is heavy. I have picked up one of those dresses, many of those dresses from Retrofat, and those things are heavy as hell, okay? So I was taken back for a moment. I was like, did I order something else from China? Because this cannot be the dress that I ordered. So I'm trying to figure out, because I order all kinds of stuff all the time. And okay, so hello, this is the heavy ass beaded dress, right? Red flag right there. So I'm like, okay, this doesn't feel right. So I look at the plastic bag. I already want to cry just by looking at this packaging, because I get a glimpse of the horror I am about to uncover. Let's do a fake unboxing here together, because I have obviously already unboxed this. So here is the dress, my peeps, okay? I mean, look at this fabric, okay? You can see me through the fabric. Hello, okay? Check this out. Does this look anything like the dress that was advertised that I showed you guys on the photo? Check this out. I mean, look at this, guys, right here. Oh my flipping Lord. Okay. This fabric, I kid you not, this fabric looks like Halloween costume fabric. You know, that cheese muffin. I mean, I don't have words to express what I feel about this fabric. It is ragamuffin to the nth degree, that you use in disposable costumes, okay, for Halloween. This is the fabric of the dress that they sent me. Mind you, I forgot to say the name of the company, which is called @Pinko, and I'm gonna say the name of the company because I want you all to be very aware and never ever buy anything from them. If you look at their Instagram page, it looks legit. 40-something thousand followers, beautiful photos of all these gorgeous dresses and looks. You think it is legit? Well, it is not. Because the shit you get has nothing to do with the shit that they show on the photo. Back to our Halloween horror nights. Halloween horror nights. That's what this is gonna be when I wear this dress. The dress is not even long enough. And you know what pisses me off the most about the situation? They charge me $60 for this, guys. This dress, I kid you not, it cost them 5 cents to make. If they had charged me $20 for this dress, I would be bitching, but I wouldn't be fuming like I am right now. But they charged me $58. Guys, that is a lot of money. I could have gone to Zara and I could have bought me something gorgeous, like a beautiful blazer, a beautiful dress, something I would actually wear in real life. So I posted about this shit on Instagram, fuming, and somebody was like, Erica, this looks like a cover up from the dollar store. She's like, cut your losses and just wear it to go to the beach. Girl, I can't. This is so terrible and so cheap. I'm trying to figure out what kind of Halloween costume I can make with this dress. Maybe, I don't know, unicorn from hell? Rainbow hoe? Could it be too? Because, I mean, it is short as hell. It doesn't even cover my butt. I have to try this for you guys to see. There you go. So, hello. This is me with my rainbow hoe costume, okay? What in the hell is this? What is this? It is not even long enough. I cannot even wear this outright. Not that I would, because look at how cheap and ridiculous this looks. So this is the 50-cent dress that they sold me for $58. It looks nothing like what was advertised. I am sure that they were packing this shit, laughing their asses off like, oh my God, we got another sucker! I do not understand how a company can build a business like this by lying to people, because of course you're never gonna go back. I do not know one long-term successful company in fashion that succeeds by lying and scamming people. I am so pissed off, guys. I tried to get a refund, so I sent them an email yesterday and said, I want my money back because the dress that you guys sent me has nothing to do with the picture that you showed on your website and your Instagram. And no reply so far. I am wondering if I'm ever gonna get a reply from these pieces of shit. You know what I mean? I guess I am angry because I feel robbed. You know what I mean? Like, they robbed me of $60. It is not even like, if it was something I could wear, maybe I'll be like, okay, maybe it's not the same. I've seen things that are, okay, lower quality, like when you buy shit from ASOS or something like that, right? The stuff is lower quality, not identical to the high styling ones, but you still wear it. It's still wearable. So I'm sorry if I'm a bit worked up, but I am just so angry. When I first opened the bag, I was laughing uncontrollably because I was so angry. Like, my daughter was like, Mom, you sound crazy. But I was like, I was just so about to explode, guys, that I couldn't stop laughing, like really, really laughing out of anger. Never had this happen to me, but I just feel like I put $60 in an envelope and I shipped it to them for absolutely nothing. So I wanted to make this video and show you guys the amount of scamming that happens on Instagram. And then the other piece that upsets me about this is that Instagram does not vet any of their advertisers. People can advertise fakes, which are actually against the law, and these scammers are rampant on Instagram. Oh, look, this is my kitty. Have you guys met my new kitty, Logan? Say hi, Logie. These Chinese stores are ultra rampant on Instagram, so I don't know, my advice to you is just don't buy it. If you cannot buy the real thing, maybe don't get something identical, but go to Zara, go to Forever 21. There are many Mango. There are many stores that are more budget friendly that you can buy beautiful things from that will not entail you losing your hard-earned money for something that you can absolutely do nothing with. Let me know what you guys think. If you would like me to continue to do these videos where I order things from different Chinese sites to see if there are some that are better quality than others, but I don't know. All I know are horror stories. So my heart goes out to anybody that, just like me, Thankfully, $60 are not gonna kill me, right? But for some people, this is a lot of money that would have made a difference for them. They could have been buying this dress for prom, for a wedding, for graduation, for an important occasion in their lives where they save the money and they're expecting to get something and they get ultra scammed. If I was not doing this for a video on YouTube, I would never, ever buy anything from a Chinese website that is kind of like a scam website like this. I hope that this helps you to make sure that you are not scammed. That was my intent with making the video, was so I could test it myself and then spread the message to all of you guys, because we cannot allow these companies to continue to rob money from people like this. Anyway, let me know if you want more videos, and if you do, let me know if there are any stores that you want me to check and order from, and I'll continue to make them and hopefully help you make good decisions and not fall for the scam. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to hang out with me, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.